Alright guys, so today I'm at my martial arts studio and I'm going to be teaching 2 classes, so I'm going to just vlog what I do. The first class I'm teaching is going to be our demo team class, so lots of just like spin kicks, choreography, a little bit of fight choreography, some weapons, board break practice. And the next class I'm going to teach is going to be our leadership class. This is the one where if students want to become instructors, this is where they learn all the stuff about like how to be a leader, how to work on their public speaking, their confidence, all that kind of stuff. So it should be a fun day, and I'm just gonna try and take you along. So walking in, here we have our little Feed Me Candy Monster for our trunk or treat coming up. I've got all of our Halloween decorations. And here's my jacket that I forgot from Saturday on sparring class. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our choreography. We're missing a million people today, but we're gonna do it. Fighting stance, Ready is the first, like, rough draft. Ready, 1, 2, 3, oh boy, 4, rough for sure, 5, 6, no, you're backward somersaulting too. We're missing our back handspringer. We'll see it again at the end once it looks beautiful. So ready, set, it'll be beautiful after that. There's like 6 practices later. Ready? Fighting stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, Nunchucks time. Okay, now everyone's gonna show the Nunchuck tricks that they've been working on, one right after the other. Ready? Trent, Owie, Ryan, Maya, Alejandro, Mariah. Alright, credit for coming to leadership class when she helps in classics. Okay, so I forgot to record in leadership class, but I have these 2 awesome girls that are going to talk to you about what we learned today.
First of all, we learned about patience today. Patience is super important for martial arts because if you're not patient, you can't dedicate the time to teaching the kids as you would if you did have patience. For example, if you're trying to teach a kid like a kick, if they're struggling and you don't take the patience to teach them it, they're going to fail their test later, which, isn't good.
And today in leadership class specifically, we practiced using patience by doing a drill that required us to show a stance and then optionally teach it if it was complicated, not everybody had learned it. And then they had to hold it for about 10 seconds. Now, this doesn't seem like a lot, but if you're doing crane stance. So it took patience for us to be able to correct the kids and not get frustrated when they had a little bit of the sillies and wouldn't hold their stance properly. But it worked.
And these 2 girls did awesome, and they're great teachers.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you.
Whoa, freeze! I want to see good tall frog jumps. We have to start over. I'm going to stand right here. Mr. Ryan will stand right there. You have to do this high five so you do the frog jumps. Try again. Ready? Get set. Go. 1. Good. 2.
And now I'm heading out. We had really small classes today, I think because it's fall break, so most of our students are missing, probably because they're on vacation. And I didn't grab my keys, so I'll be right back. Before I started the video, I left like a little question box on my Instagram asking for what questions you guys have that are like instructor related. So I'm gonna answer some really quick. First one is from Matt Spinger, and he says, how long are your classes? So usually for our, we call them tiny little champions, those are 3 and 4 and 5 to 7-year-old kids. They have 30-minute classes, and they do really well with just 30 minutes of focused time. And then our bigger kids and adults usually have hour-long classes. Sometimes if it's like a competition team or something, the classes will be a little bit longer, but usually it's just 30 minutes and an hour. Palanin? He says, how do you teach young children more like fun drills? And this is actually a really good question. So little kids really learn by play, so it's important to have them learn like all the important parts of martial arts, like the life skills, by being like confident and everything. But if you could incorporate some games, for all of our classes we have specific drills that the teachers teach. For example, all of our classes this week are focusing on speed, and so we take our little champions, which are our 5 to 7 year olds, and we're not just gonna have them working on like, you know, technical kicking speed, but we're gonna have them work on learning the concept of speed, pushing themselves through maybe like doing a challenge like racing, or trying to do how many kicks they can in 10 seconds, or just something that's gonna be fun for them, that's gonna make them push themselves with speed. You're gonna incorporate it in a fun game kind of way, because then that's gonna keep them engaged, keep them working and trying as hard as they can. But now I'm done with classes for the day. I'm gonna head home and pick up some dinner actually, and then yeah, if you guys have any questions on like martial arts or being a martial arts instructor or a school owner, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to make more videos on what you guys want to learn, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.